So very difficult to tell the difference between a bull and a cow if they're on land, because these guys, like elephants, got internal testes, so they don't have a scrotum. Very difficult to tell whether it's a male or female, but only the bulls or the males use their tails, to spray their dung. The females only drop their dung straight down, the bulls will use their tail to spray their dung, so that's one key to identify whether it's a bull or not, whether it's spraying their dung or not. So I'm just going to move forward a little bit and see how it's doing.